Hey there, nature lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of houseplants, specifically the top 10 best plants for those dark corners in your home. Whether it's a shady room or a sunroom that's a little too bright, these plants will add life and color to your space. First up, we have the snake plant. It's an easy-to-care-for plant that thrives in low-light conditions and filters harmful toxins from the air. Next is the peace lily. It's a beautiful flowering plant that helps purify indoor air and can tolerate slightly drier conditions. The spider plant is another great choice for low-light conditions. Its air purify abilities and low-maintenance care make it a perfect addition to any dark room. The pothos is a great trailing plant that can be placed on shelves or hung from the ceiling, adding a touch of green to even the darkest corners of your home. The Chinese evergreen is another low-maintenance option that requires minimal sunlight and can grow quickly in dark rooms. The ZZ plant is another hardy option that tolerates neglect and thrives in low-light conditions, an excellent choice for those with busy schedules. The philodendron heartleaf is a beautiful plant with lustrous heart-shaped leaves that can add color to even the dullest corners of your home. The cast iron plant gets its name for its ability to withstand neglect. It's perfect for those who struggle with keeping their plants alive. It also does well in low-light conditions and remains relatively small at only about 12 inches tall when mature. The parlor palm is a low-maintenance option that prefers shade but must be watered regularly to avoid crispy leaves. Lastly, but not least, the rubber plant is an easy-to-care-for variety that can tolerate some neglect without suffering any damage to its foliage or stems, perfect for those who might forget to water their plants occasionally. By incorporating these 10 fantastic plants into your living space, you'll be breathing easier while enjoying the beauty of nature indoors. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.